Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm just going to have a quick look at Poseidonos Avenue renovations, and I'm going to start at the top end of Bar Street to get there, just because this is where I'll park my car. It's a couple of days after the big fire, and they all seem to be out now, touch wood. And life is returning to normal. So I figured it was time to check on the Poseidonos Avenue renovations to see what was happening. They've been dropping a lot of concrete down there, because most of the times I've been past, there have been cement mixers on the job, which is good to see. It's, I think it's about 9:30 this morning. Not entirely sure, because I got slightly sidetracked by finding that my portable mic was nearly out of batteries, but hopefully it'll last. If not, I'll have to rely on the built-in microphone. So I don't know what the official opening date of the work they're doing down here is, but they must be getting fairly close to it by now, because as you'll see, bits of the pavement on the right already finished. Must be bloody hot working in this sort of weather though. Stating the obvious. So this is the top part of the landscaping. I think this is going to have the most done to it when it's finished, which presumably is why it's taking so long here. Do like it when they want to be filmed. So imagine that with some more trees and shrubs and a water feature or two. Very nice. So apparently there's a new car park just up there, beyond Memories and behind T&J's. We'll go down past Elmira and turn right. I don't think I'll walk like they are. I'll cross over to that side in a minute. And at that point my microphone died because it ran out of power. I noticed this in about a minute's time, and I switched to the internal microphone, but I'm keeping this film in because there was a thing just up ahead which I want to show you, because they started doing the renovation work up here, and then for some reason they went down to Pinguino's end and did a lot there, leaving it all up in the air here. But they've come back here now, and the area outside the nest is beginning to look a bit more, what's the word? Welcoming is the word I'm looking for. You'll see it in a tick. And hopefully they won't have too much longer waiting before it's all finished there. But you can see now it's beginning to look nice there. Anyway, the microphone will be coming back, albeit with a slightly scratchier sound because it's gone to the internal one. But there's the nest, looking a lot nicer. They've still got to lay the concrete in front of it. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. Okay, the microphone died, so we'll rely on the internal microphone, which is giving it its chance to shine. Cool boy. See what the footage is like. Well, hear what the footage is like, really. So that's what's still to come. Whereas this is what it's going to look like when it's done. There is obviously still some things to do here. It's weird to walk on this it's just my shoes that make me feel weird. No, it does feel a bit like it's a bit spongy, like the sort of thing you get at a kid's playground. Could just be my imagination. Put the camera up a bit. Try not to slip on the wet bits. Yeah, good look here as to what they're doing anyway. Holidaymaker just driving. Not the ideal circumstances to arrive in. However, it'll all soon be finished. Now we're coming to Pinguinos. Pretty much after that, on the other side, all they've got to do is the water feature, from what I remember. No huge traffic jam here today. Gourmet Taverna. Try and find a way across. I know there's a crossing up there, but it's probably easier if I cross here. There's tea for two. And now I'm going to stop this film and start part 5 of my film along the Paphos boardwalk, which will be the seafront and harbour. And beyond that, in the fullness of time, I'll be seeing if I can get all the way up to at least Kisonliga, if not Coral Bay itself. On foot, that is. Okay, well, for now, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next film. Cheers!